Hello students, welcome back. Now in this module we are going to discuss about 2 more questions which were given frequently in board examinations from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. So without wasting time, let us get into the problems. The very first problem given here is find the value or values of k so that the pair of equations x plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 equal to 0 has a unique solution. What do you mean by unique solution? Unique solution means a single common solution. So when a pair of linear equations have a unique common solution, so I am going to write the formula for this, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are a pair of linear equations have unique common solution only when, what is the condition for unique common solution? Only when the value of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then only they are said to have a unique common solution. Now the given equations are x plus 2y is equal to 5. So I am writing this one as 1 into x plus 2y plus of minus 5 is equal to 0 because I am writing them into standard form. And the second equation is 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0. Since they have unique common solution, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 means 1 divided by 3 not equal to b1 by b2 is 2 divided by k. Right? When you cross multiply, k into 1 is equal to k is not equal to 3 2s are 6. So except k is equal to 6. If you write any value, then they have a unique common solution. Hope you understand. So that here the value of k is going to be any real number except 6. Any real number except 6 will give the unique common solution. Hope you understand. You just follow the condition for unique common solution. Automatically you will approach the solution. Right? Moving on to the next problem. So is the system of linear equations consistent? So when the system of equations are said to consistent, for example a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is the first equation. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are set to consistent equations when they have a unique common solution or they have infinitely many number of solutions. It means the first condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, or what is the second condition? Second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. So then only they are said to be consistent. What do you call them? Consistent linear equations. Suppose a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then they are said to be inconsistent equations because they are parallel lines. They never meet at any point. So here the given problem is system of equations are consistent. Consistent means condition should be possible. So here the given equations are 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 is one equation. And then second equation is 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 is the another equation. So I would say that the second equation is obtained by multiplying the first equation with one constant, non-zero constant. 2 times 2 equal to 4, 3 times 2 equal to 6, minus 9 times 2 equal to minus 18. It means the second equation so obtained will be the coincident line for the given line. Right? So the second case will be possible. Let us see. We will check by the condition. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by 6, which is also equal to 1 by 2, and then find C1 by C2, which is equal to minus 9 by minus 18, which is equal to minus minus cancel, 9 ones, 9 twos are 18. So what do you mean by this? It means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, our given two equations of lines are coincident lines. Since they are coincident lines, the total number of common solutions should be infinitely many number of solutions. So they are coincident. They are coincident. So what about the number of solutions? There are infinite. There are infinite common solutions. Right? So this is the way to check whether they are consistent or not. Right? Of course they are consistent. This is what is the condition for consistency. Coming to the next problem, 2x plus y is equal to 23, 4x minus y is equal to 19. Then find the value of 5y minus 2x as well as y by 2 minus 2. So in order to find these two values, we need the value of x and y. For that, we will have to solve the given two equations. Right? So the given two equations are here. 2x plus y is equal to 23 is the first equation. And second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 19. These two are two equations. And what is the best way to solve these two equations? We have some methods of solving a pair of linear equations. First one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Fourth one is graphical method. So, which is the possible way? I always prefer to use elimination method, because here plus y and minus y are there. Just by adding both the equations, then these two gets cancelled. So 2x plus 4x is equal to 6x. These two gets cancelled. 23 plus 19 is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 2, 1, so 42. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. How much are 42? 6 7s are 42. I got the value of x. And then to get the value, I can choose one of these two equations. So let us consider first equation. So what is that first equation? 2x plus y is equal to 23. And then substitute x equal to 7. So 2 into 7 plus y is equal to 23. 2 7s are 14. So y is equal to 23 minus 14. What is 23 minus 14? Think it is 9. Right? So the value of y is equal to 9 and the value of x is equal to 7. Now what do you want? You need to find out the values of two things here. First one is 5y minus 2x. Substitute the values of x and y over there. Then you will get 5 times y. Y is equal to 9 minus 2 times x is equal to 7. Right? So 5 9s are 45. 2 7s are 14. So finally the value is going to be 5 minus 4 equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. This is the value of 5y minus 2x. And what is the second one here? Second one is y by 2 minus 2. So the value of y is here. Y is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 2 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 2. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 divided by 2. So this way we can answer this problem easily. Right. Moving on to the next problem. Find whether the lines represented by 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x plus 2y equal to 6 are parallel, coincident or intersecting lines. So once again, I just want to repeat you about when the two lines are said to be parallel, coincident and intersecting. See, the given two lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now the first condition here is, since you are talking about parallel lines, so the lines are said to be parallel. So these are the given lines. Suppose if these two are the lines, then only the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then they are said to be parallel lines. And what is the second one? They are coincident lines. So here this is one of the lines. Coincident line is nothing but one line lying on the other. So these two are two lines. So in which condition they are said to be coincident lines? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is also is equal to C1 by C2. Then they are said to be coincident lines. And for example, when they are said to be intersecting lines, so these two are two lines which are called intersecting line. There is only a unique common solution. In which case they are said to be intersecting lines only when A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 irrespective of C1 by C2. Right? So now the given two lines are 2x plus 3y, or y is equal to 3, and the second line is 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. Of course, here also I could say one thing, that second equation is obtained by multiplying the first equation with 2, right? Because you see 2 times 2 equal to 4, 2 times 1 equal to 2, 2 times 3 equal to 6. Let us go by the method. First let me find out the value of A1 by A2. So which is equal to A1 is 2 divided by 4, which is going to be 1 by 2. And B1 by B2 is equal to, B1 is equal to here 1y, right? So 1 divided by 2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Now we'll find C1 by C2. So C1 is equal to 3 divided by 6. So 3 by 6 is also equal to 1 by 2. So what did you observe here? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is also equal to C1 by C2. Then what kind of lines they are? They are said to be coincident lines. So therefore, given two lines are coincident lines. Given two lines are coincident lines. So this way we will have to check. The only thing here is in this pair of linear equations about consistency and inconsistency. When you are talking about consistent and inconsistent linear equations, just keep this flowchart in your mind so that you can answer any problem easily. Right? Next. Moving on to the next problem. Here, find whether the following equation, linear equation, is consistent or inconsistent. So this one also same as like the previous one. The given two equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and the second equation is 6x minus 4y is equal to 9. Let me find out what is A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 divided by 6. What is 3 divided by 6? Equal to 1 by 2. And what is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 is equal to 2 divided by minus 4. Be very careful. 2 divided by minus 4, which is equal to 2 ones and 2 twos are 4. This is minus 1 by 2. Are they both same? Not at all. Since they both are not same, then you don't have to find C1 by C2, because here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then irrespective of the ratio between C1 and C2, we can say that, therefore, the given two lines, are intersecting lines. Given two lines are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines are consistent or inconsistent? They are consistent. Therefore, they are consistent linear equations. Consistent linear equations. So this way we can answer the problem. So moving on to the next problem. For what value of P does the pair of linear equations given below has unique solution? Unique solution means a common single solution. So let me take the given equations. 4x plus py plus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation is 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. These two are two equations. Those two equations have a unique common solution. So what is the condition for unique common solution? Since they have a unique common solution, unique common solution A1 by A2 should be not equal to B1 by B2. Right? This is what is the condition for the equations have the unique common solution. So A1 by A2 means 4 divided by 2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is P divided by 2. So 2 1s and 2 2s are 4. By cross multiplication P into 1 is equal to P, not equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Except P is equal to 4, if you take any value of P, then they are always having a unique common solution. Okay, so for P is not equal to 4, you can write any number other than 4. So therefore the value of P is going to be real number system except 4. Real number system except 4 having a unique common solution. See, this is what. Next, for what value of K the pair of linear equations has an infinite number of solutions? So when equations are said to have infinite number of solutions, what is the condition for that? The given equations are Kx minus 4y is equal to 3, and the second equation is 6x minus 12y is equal to 9 have infinite number of solutions. Have infinite number of solutions. Have infinite number of solutions only when A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 also equals to C1 by C2. Then only they have infinite number of solutions. Now figure out what are A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. A1 by A2 ratio between x coefficients, that is K divided by 6, equals to B1 by B2. This is minus 4 by minus 12. So minus 4 by minus 12 is equal to C1 by C2, 3 divided by 9. Okay. So K divided by 6 is equal to minus minus cancel. 4 1s and 4 3s are 12. And 3 1s and 3 3s are 9s. So K by 6 is equal to 1 by 3 basically. So when K by 6 is equal to 1 by 3, 3 1s and 3 2s are 6. By cross multiplication, you get K into 1 equal to K, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of K is going to be 2. For K is equal to 2, they have infinite number of solutions. Understand? Next. For what value of K, these two equations will have again infinite number of solutions. Same thing here we should do, that 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, and the second equation is here K plus 2 times x plus 6y is equal to 3k plus 2. Right? So we'll have infinite number of solutions. They have infinite solutions. They have infinite solutions only when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is also is equal to C1 by C2. Correct? So A1 by A2 means 2 divided by, here K plus 2 is the coefficient of x. So K plus 2 equals to B1 by B2, that is 3 divided by 6, equals to C1 by C2, that is 4 divided by 3k plus 2. Right? So 3 1s and 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 2 divided by k plus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. I am equating these two. If you want, you can equate these two also, doesn't matter. Okay? So fine. Now 2 divided by k plus 2 equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiplication, k plus 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4. K plus 2 is equal to 4 means 2 plus how much equal to 4? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this way we can answer the problem, and you can check here also whether the value of k is equal to 2 or not. So hope you understand how to answer these problems. These are problems about 2-mark problems. So please do concentrate. Most of the problems depending upon number of solutions, when they have infinitely many number of solutions, when they have unique common solution, and when they have no solution. So that is why please remember the conditions of consistency as well as inconsistent. Then you feel pretty much easier. Hope you understand. Thank you.